I'm gonna try not to make this a car review video because I never wanted to be a car review channel. What's up, guys? I am not intending to turn this channel into a car review channel, but I felt compelled to at least give my viewpoint on this 2017 Lexus CT200h. It's a good car. Overall, a good car. It's basically a Prius, just $12,000 more expensive. Looks a little better, and that's kind of where it ends. It's a Prius for all intents and purposes. It is 100% Prius DNA. There's really nothing about this car that is special over the Prius, aside from it looking a lot better than your standard cheesy kind of Prius. So this is a 2017, it's a CT200h. It's based off of the 3rd generation Prius, aside from the exterior. The exterior is very nice, reliable as hell. It's that 2ZR engine. They're so reliable that their first major issue that they have is the EGR ports clogging because you put 300,000 miles on it. That's like their main thing. But all in all, it's a good looking car. It's a pretty Prius. That's what it is. And in that respect, it's a great car. I just wish the interior was either nicer or the car was cheaper. You know, to pay $10,000, $12,000 more over a 3rd gen Prius just for a cooler looking body, hatchback, and a Lexus badge just doesn't really seem to jive for me. But the exterior of the car is kind of the only benefit that it has over the Prius. Other than that, it's exactly the same car. It's really pretty though. It's a good looking car. You know, the 5-door hatchback is nice. It gives me like 1st gen Mazda 3 vibes. You know, it's a good looking car on the outside. The interior leaves some to be desired. This may be because I'm jaded. I worked at Mercedes and BMW for like the last 5-6 years. So I could be a little spoiled, a little jaded, but to me, the interior is lacking. It has some leather. The seats are pretty nice, but for the most part, it's all hard plastic, you know. It's just, it doesn't have much of a luxury car feel. The interior, especially the dashboard, it has like E46 BMW vibes, you know, like early 2000s BMW, you know, the cheesy like pewter type. I don't know. It's not a bad car. Don't get me wrong. It's a great car. I would definitely daily one of these. It's just not Lexus enough to justify the $10,000, $12,000 more. On the used market, they seem to be a little bit closer in price, but I mean, look at the radio. That is the radio out of a 3rd gen Prius. I don't understand why a car that should be leading edge tech has a CD player. A luxury car, a high-end luxury car from 2017 just shouldn't have a CD player. You know, it makes sense because Lexuses are driven by old guys, but then why does it have a perfectly sized cup holder for an energy drink? It just doesn't, like, they specifically made this for Red Bull? I don't know, but like, it's just, what is this? What goes there? It's sure as shit not a cell phone. What about here? Nope, that doesn't work either. I don't know. It's just like, it's a Prius.